Welcome to this Ho'oponopono meditation practice. But before we begin, if you are new to Calm with Charlotte, I welcome you to my channel. I invite you to hit that notification and subscribe button so you will be made aware of any new and upcoming meditations. And if you are returning to this channel, I welcome you back, and I thank you all for joining me here in this space. So Ho'oponopono is a very powerful practice. It's a Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. And the word itself means to make things right or to restore balance. For me, this practice is about having a conversation with your higher self and with a problem that is present in your life. So this problem could be an ill feeling between you and another person. It might be a subconscious belief that you're struggling to let go of. It could be a challenge with a work colleague, or even something much larger like a world event that's really weighing heavily on you right now. You can apply Ho'oponopono to literally anything. So whatever it may be, Ho'oponopono helps us to clear the energy field around that problem. It allows us to release the negative attachment that keeps us tied into it, so we can return to peace and harmony. And when you practice this with sincerity, over time, it has the power to create truly incredible shifts. It's such a simple practice, but it's so magical, and it's one that continues to surprise me with how profoundly it works. So today I invite you to bring into mind something that you would like to work with, whatever feels most present for you at the moment. And as we move through the phases of Ho'oponopono, you'll be holding that situation in your awareness and allowing the words to help you clear the energy around it. So the 4 phrases to Ho'oponopono are, I'm sorry. And this is where we acknowledge responsibility for what has arisen, even if we don't fully understand how it came to be. The next phrase is please forgive me. So here you're asking for forgiveness and you're letting go of the judgment and the heaviness around the situation. Then we say thank you. Thank you for allowing me to see this problem. Thank you for giving me the strength and the willingness to release it. And then we say I love you. And in saying I love you, we are saying to our higher self that supports us, I love you. I love the energy that holds me, that guides me and restores me to balance. So those simple 4 phrases are how we clear the pathway into healing and returning to harmony. So let's begin. So just begin by sitting somewhere comfortable, gently straighten the spine, give the shoulders a nice roll back, close the eyes. Just really begin to tune into your breath, breathing in through the nose, just releasing through the mouth, allowing the palms to rest gently in the lap. You can have them placing either up or down, whatever's more comfortable to you. Just take a few breaths in and out. And allow yourself to sink down into the hips. Just getting really grounded into the hips. Taking all your energy and focus down into the hips. Just begin to feel very supported in doing so. Just feel your whole body softening, arriving, becoming still. Allowing the breath to gently flow in and out in its natural form. And now begin to bring into your mind the area or the situation you would like to work with today. Begin to notice it. Observe it. Maybe you're feeling it in the body, maybe you need to take your attention there. And then we begin. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for the role I played in this. I'm so sorry for my part in this. Please forgive me. Please forgive my role in this. Please forgive how I have acted in this. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to see this problem. Thank you for allowing me to see this situation. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for the role that I have played. Please forgive me. Please forgive all that I have done to contribute towards this, consciously or subconsciously. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to see this situation. Thank you for giving me the strength to work through it. I love you. I love you so much. I love your support and I love you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the role that I have played. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for any part that I have played in this. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to see this problem. Thank you for allowing me to work with this. I love you. I love you for all that you do for me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now just keep repeating these phrases over and over. We're going to go for a few more minutes. And don't worry if you get the order switched up. That's not important. It's just the words. When you finish your next round, just very gently allow the cycle to release. Let it go. Gently bring yourself back into your body. Placing your hands on your heart. Taking a nice deep breath into your heart space. Just acknowledging the space that you have cleared. Acknowledging the love that you feel in your heart. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes and come back into the now.